Construction truck moves illegally parked cars. Two illegally parked cars got more than tickets after blocking the exit of an undisclosed construction site in China. The cars became the victim of a front loader trying to exit the site. Rather than wait for a tow truck, the construction truck driver took matters into his own hands. At first, from the angle of the camera, it looks like there is only one white car, which the front loader had flipped on its side. But let's watch that again. The truck actually pushes a black vehicle next to the white one and then drives on top of it before flipping the white car on its side. Throughout the footage, the headlight of a black car can be seen peeking out from behind the white vehicle. And, if you're paying attention, you can actually see the truck carry the black car and drop it behind the white vehicle. Flipping one car on its side wasn't enough. The truck driver also had to give it to the second vehicle and smash in its roof. Repeatedly. All before pushing both vehicles into the middle of the road. That is one hell of a parking fine.